Okay, first time the Ivy at York. Ito yung menu nila. Ayan.
Does anyone want the drinks?
Look at that. They have a nice view. Wall nila, iba-iba ang mga picture. Very nice. Very Christmassy. Oh, pack. Lucky, hindi kami nag-book dito at nakaupo. So, early bird kasi yan. Yan ang signature color nila yan. Oh, pack, salmon. First time to try the salmon. Smoked salmon, I think. Ayan, kay James. Nagustuhan naman niya. So, enjoy the food, James. Well done. Ayan na ang drinks namin. Oh, pack. Kahit malamig, inom pa rin ng malamig, guys. Cheers, everybody. Cheers. Charot. Ayan na. The whole family. Cheers. Happy New Year to everybody. Masarap naman ang drinks. Okay lang. Kaya lang, medyo malamig. So, summer is the best to enjoy cold. Ito ang wall ng toilet nila, guys. Look at that. Kahit sa ceiling, it's beautifully decorated. Oh, pack. Medyo dim light siya. Saan ka pa? Oh, tour tayo kahit nasa toilet. Ayan, wala na. Pack na pack. Let's go outside, guys. The food is serving soon. Gutom na rin ang lola nyo. Kaya, tara na. I can't wait for the food. Ayan. Marami din siyang tao. Kaya lang nasa taas ang toilet nila. So, kailangang umakyat. Now, pababa na kami. Returning to our table. Oh. Serve na. Ayan, steak. Favorite ng anak ko. Steak pa more. Ayan, parang something different. May saffron. Okay naman ang food. Ayan, calamari. Pero na-notice ko lang yung rice nila is uncooked. So, for me, hindi siya 5-star kasi hindi sila marunong magluto ng rice. Charot. I love rice. So, rice pa more. Oh, yan. Rice pa more. Nabusog naman ang lola. Yan ang signature dish nila na dessert. Oh, snowman. Ayan pa. Oh, chocolate. Chocolate is life. Ayan, binuhusan ng mainit para mag-melt siya. Ganyan. Masarap. Oh, yan. Nakita nyo, guys. Nag-melt na siya. Ayan. Enjoy. Ayan, kay banana yan. Sa asawa ko yan. Enjoy. Ayan, oh. Parang ayaw kong kainin. Ganda kasi tingnan. Yan na. Enjoy na lang. Diba? Pak na pak. Ang sarap. Oh, saan ka pa? Ayan, share lang kami kasi malaki. Pero, tsaka matamis siya ng konti. Ayan, tapos na kami. So, check out na at magbayad na. Kung walang pambayad, ako na lang ang maghugas ng plato. Charot. Thank you.